Hello, this is Bob Hollis with the Mobius Network, and this tutorial video demonstrates how to upload and add an agenda to the Rolling Hills Community Services District website. It's a several-step process the way it's currently set up. The first step is to upload the document. The second step is to add the document to a page or a widget. And the third step is to then add that page to the menu system. Though this might change if we go to a posting type situation using posts instead of pages, but that will be in a separate video or a video that will replace this one if the process changes. So for currently looking at it from the front end under agendas and minutes, you can see for 2016 we've got January. We're going to add February, and that will create another menu item under 2016. For 2015 we've got those here, and I'll be proposing flattening out this system, but for now this is how it is. Anyway, so that's what it looks like from the front end. I keep two tabs open to work on this, so I've got one open here for the back end, and that's where I've logged in as an administrator. And once I log in, the first thing I see is the dashboard here. So this is the first thing you see when you log in. It's the dashboard. To add a document to the system, we just go down here to media, and you can go into the library and add new, or you can just go straight to add new. And if you weren't sure if the document's there already, you would look in the library first. So I'm going to add new. And then if I had files in a folder or something open on my desktop, I could just drag them in and drop them here. But since I don't I'm going to use a browser option or select files. And I already know where this one is. So this is the Rolling Hills CSD folder where I've stored a copy of the PDF agenda for February. So I'll select that and open. And that's it. It's uploaded it into the library. So now, since we're going to have this on a page, I'm going to go into pages. And whether you click pages or all pages, it takes you to the same place. If we need to add a new page, then we can either click add new or add new up here. You'll find in WordPress there are multiple ways to do the same thing. If I look down here, I can confirm that we don't already have a February page. So I'm going to add new. And this new page will be called February 2015. Or I'm sorry, 2016. I think I'd be used to that by now. And then we're going to add media, and that allows us to pull in anything from the library. Now, from the media library. Now, we could have also just gone straight to add a new page and add media from here and upload it in one process. So to do that we start the same way as adding something in the library right now. So I'm going to add media. And you'll see we've already got it here, but if we didn't already have it sitting here in the library, we could have gone to upload files and pulled it in at that time. So I'm going to select our February agenda, and then this tells us what the title of it will be, and I can go ahead and update that. Looks like these were kind of notes here that aren't necessary on the website. Okay, and then that's all we need, and we can put a description down here too if we like. I'm just going to copy and paste. And that helps for screen readers and that sort of thing. And then you can choose what this is going to link to. And in this case, it's the media file, which is what we're uploading here to the page. So that if somebody clicks on that link in the page, they'll be downloading this PDF. So basically I've selected it, I've corrected what I want the title to be, copied that into description for screen readers and easier accessibility, search engines, etc. Made sure it's linking to what I want, and I could have chose other things, but media file is what we want in this case. And then insert into page. And there it is. So it's that easy. And then all I need to do is click publish to save the page. And so we've just created a page with a link to that agenda. And now we need to add that page to the menu system. So as you see out here, it only has January right now. But we can go back in And now that the page is created, so we uploaded the document, we created the page and added the document to the page. That's what we just did. And now I'm going to go down here to Appearance and Menus. And the page that we created most recently will appear here. It doesn't have everything. This is just the most recent. You can go to View All or do a search if you need to find a page that was created a while ago and add to the menu. But for now, here's most recent. I just select February 2016, Add to Menu. And that will show up down here at the bottom. So then we can just drag and drop it wherever we like. So I'm going to select and drag that up here and put it under January. And then need to remember to save the menu. And now I can go back out here, refresh my screen to reload the site, confirm that February is now there, click to see the page. And if we wanted some text, you can click right here to edit or do it from the back end to put additional information or documents or anything else. And to confirm that this works, I'll click the link and the PDF is loading. And which is just the way it loads is due to the extension I have in my browser. It might load or download differently for different people, but that's working correctly for me. So that confirms that our agenda is posted. And that ends this session on how to upload and add an agenda to the Rolling Hills CSD website. Thank you.